Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use a makeup mirror, and I'm going to share some tips and tricks for you guys so that you can follow them at home as well. And my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a makeup artist, and let's get started. When I first started getting into makeup, more than just lips or mascara, I never really understood how people could use a little makeup mirror to create full makeup looks. I just personally find that they are very limited and also irritating, as you only can see in one portion of your face to create the makeup look. However, over the past few years, I've just discovered for myself how you can use the makeup mirror correctly, and I just wanted to share those tips and tricks with you guys, so let's get started. Tip number 1 is bigger always better. Makeup mirrors can come in multiple sizes, however, larger mirrors are very useful if you want to see your whole face while you're applying your makeup. But larger mirrors are normally also standing in front of you or hanging on the wall so that they are secured at a place, and you aren't really able to move them around to see or have a closer look at your makeup application. And this brings me also to tip number 2. Tip number 2, mirror in your hand. While I once never understood how to use a little makeup mirror, I now can't live without it. Small makeup mirrors are great, as you just can focus on one thing. For example, if you want to create a dramatic smoky eye, or you just want to focus on your lips, then those little guys are so useful, as you can move them around so that you can see every detail while you're applying your makeup. And now I just wanted to share a little demonstration. Tip number 3, 2 is better than 1. I personally like to use 2 mirrors while doing my makeup. With this technique, I'm using the larger mirror to see how it will appear from a distance, and also to see how well I've blended the makeup together. While with the little makeup mirror, I'm using it to focus on specific areas like my eyes, my eyebrows, or my lips. And then the two combined, you will get a beautiful and blended and even makeup look. I'm also going to share a demonstration. Bonus tip, find your lighting. To receive best results from your mirror, make sure that you're sitting in good lighting. This can be in front of a window for natural lighting or in your bathroom, but make sure that the lights are bright, not too yellow toned, so that it will give you a beautiful finish. There you have it, and I hope that you can learn with those tips how you can use your own makeup mirror to create beautiful makeup looks on your own. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!